Hello traders, welcome to the new video, and in this video I want to shortly talk about, in this video we'll talk about how to trade Forex or any other market with a full-time job. So the thing is, anyone can become a successful trader, so it doesn't matter, if you have a job or not, anyone can achieve their trading success. And just by looking at current markets and everything, then of course having this access to trade the markets have never been easier. Anyone can open their trading account and they just click buy or sell in order to trade the markets. And it doesn't matter if you are a student, if you are working in a job, or you are in retirement, anyone can trade the markets. And it was different, of course, many years ago, 10, 20 years ago, when the people didn't have access to trade the financial markets, and they had to make their phone calls to their brokers and everything. I remember my mentor in early days said that in the 90s you have to actually call the brokers in order to have the access to the markets and to place the orders and everything. But today it's easier, of course, because anyone can just make a few clicks here and there, and you can trade a commodity from the other part of the world, or you can trade the stocks here in your country and everything. And when it comes to trading, there are many different trading styles, but of course not everyone has the time to be, let's say, a Forex scalper who is focusing on small market moves and things such as that, or a day trader. But of course, if you have a full-time job and you don't have much time, if you don't have 1 hour per day for trading and things like that, then of course I adopt that someone with a full-time job and let's say family and other hobbies can be a day trader, for example, because of the lack of the time. Then of course trading will not be really enjoyable anymore, and it can become really stressful if you have other things to do in the meantime. So of course, when it comes to those trading style, whether you're a scalper or day trader or swing trader, then of course you must also like this particular trading style, because of course having more free time doesn't also mean that your trading must be busy and you start trading the lower time frames all day and things such as that. And I'm a full-time trader for many years, but personally I stick of course to the hard time frames such as daily, 4 hourly, 1 hourly, and also a 15-minute time frame, because I exactly know what I'm looking for there. And that's also because I like to trade personally. I like to trade in the direction of the hard time frames, in the direction of the major trends, and I also prefer to trade less than overtrade, and trading the low probability setups, trying to find those trades every day and things such as that. And yes, when it comes to trading, when you have a full-time job or other sources of income, then of course outside of your trading, that's something that is also recommended, because this way you have also much less pressure on your trading outcomes, and you can also you can perform actually much better. So of course it would not be smart to put everything in one basket right away, and by this I mean that of course when it comes to trading, and if you're new to trading or you have a little bit experiences but you're still not profitable, then of course you shouldn't just quit your job, quit your school and everything to just go to trading and expect to be profitable right away. This is wrong mindset to have. And personally I know many part-time traders who trade also the Forex market and every other markets some of them also successfully with their day job. So it's nothing wrong, and if you have time, if you have money, then of course it's win-win combination. And you know, even if you check, let's say, the world successful fund manager and traders that manage billions of dollars, and they have a lot of money under the and assets under the management, some of them, they also check their charts only at the end of the day, and it's nothing wrong with this. And I believe that traders, actually that traders who don't rely on their trading results right away, they feel much less pressure, of course, to make the money of the markets consistently. So this is very important. You don't want to have a pressure like I have to make this kind of money this month and so on, especially if you're not consistent yet, if you don't have consistency in your trading. So this way, when you have also other sources of income besides your trading business, of course, this way you also learn the most important skill in trading, which is actually focusing on trading process rather than on trading results, because the trading results is just a byproduct of you following your process. And when it comes to other, let's say, obligations you have during the day, of course, your focus should be on the trading. But on the other hand, being busy is also not bad. You know, like positive side of having the busy schedule is also that you're busy, and there is actually a less chance you will have that you will actually end up sitting in front of your Forex charts and trading screens for hours and making emotional mistakes as overthinking about, let's say, open positions or trying to find something to trade just because you have time and you are bored. Of course, that's very, very important, because you know, when it comes to trading, all consistent traders, all successful traders, they understand that good trades will always come to them. They don't hunt for them, they don't hunt for those trades, they don't trying to find them, but they just look at the charts, they do their analysis, and their setups just jump to them right in front of them. It's obvious for them. So a little advice for you, if you're, let's say, if you're in the position where you have a busy daily schedule and you don't have more than 20-30 minutes per day, but you want to still trade the markets successfully and follow your passion and goals in trading, I would like to help you today with 2 simple steps you can take to simplify and to boost your trading actually. So yes, let's start with the first one, and this is focus on swing trading. So if you have less than 30 minutes per day trading, then of course I would advise you to start focusing on the hard time frames, such as daily 4-hourly time frame. Those 2 time frames I also use in my own trading, and my students use them of course too. You know, we do the analysis on the daily 4-hourly time frames in order to understand what is the direction of the market, whether the price is right in the discount now, or is it at premium, and then when it comes to specific levels of support and resistance, then we pull the trigger in combination with 1-hourly or 15-minute time frames. And swing traders, of course, they focus on the major trend directions. They want to trade within the structure of the market, and they want to, of course, by not devoting too much time to their trading, they also minimize, you know, the probabilities of trading with the negative emotions, because on the hard time frames such as daily and 4-hourly, there is much less noise if you compare it with the lower time frames such as 1-minute time frame and so on. So those swing traders, of course, as us, we believe in trading class. We don't need a trade every day, but we focus on those setups, high probability setups within the market structure and in combination with price action. and we believe, of course, in the quality of trades before quantity of trades. And when it comes to swing trading and trading within the higher time frames direction, of course, then of course you actually trade actually with this kind of a set and forget approach. You don't once you execute your trade, you don't worry about the outcome because you understand your trading edge, you understand your trading stats, and you don't need to spend whole day in front of the charts, but you can check them a few times here and there, and when there is a trade you just execute it or just do nothing. And the second thing, you have to schedule your trading. Because being a part-time trader doesn't mean that you can check charts and trade only when you feel like it. You must, still apply a disciplined and organized approach to your trading. As I said in one of the previous videos, you must create yourself a Forex trading journal, a trading plan. You need to organize your schedule, and you need to plan your trades in advance. So by schedule, I mean how and when you will devote your time to trading. So assuming you focus on the hard time frames, you have to understand at what times you will prepare your charts, at what times you will look at the charts for potential opportunities, and you have to keep things simple. So just ask yourself, let's say, at what day and time during the weekend I will take time off to prepare my Forex watch list for the following week. And what about during the week? Will you glance over your charts at the morning or the night before? And what about when you are waiting for potential setups? At what time you will jump in front of the computer if you're busy? And at what time you will execute your trades if they appear on the charts? So hopefully this video will help you in your own trading. So if you have any questions, just send me an email or comment below. Take care.